Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add fog onto your image on Snapseed. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Snapseed application and you can tap on the open button or the plus icon to open up the image on which you wish to add your fog. After opening up this image, make sure that you have downloaded an image of a fog within your device in order to add it onto this image. Once you have downloaded it, tap on the Tools option and then scroll down and tap on Double Exposure. From here you can tap on Open Image and now just open up the fog image from your device. Once you open up this fog, you can reposition, rescale, as well as adjust how you wish for this fog to appear on your image. Once you are done positioning your fog, tap on the Opacity option and then move it to the very left so that it is almost invisible. You can then tap on the tick mark at the bottom right corner to apply your changes. Now just tap on Edit Stack at the top section and then click on View Edits. From here tap on Double Exposure and then choose the middle option. Once you choose this option, click on Invert and now simply use the brush in order to highlight all of the area where you want your fog to appear. Once you have chosen your preferred area, tap on the Invert option once again and make sure Double Exposure is set to 100. Also make sure that the mask option is enabled and tap on the tick mark at the bottom right corner. Now click on Double Exposure once again and then tap on the Settings option, and now you will need to change your opacity one final time. Tap on this option and then swipe it and drag it to your preferred level. Then tap on the tick mark at the bottom right corner and now your fog has been added onto your image. You can now tap on the Export button to export your image onto your device, and there you have it. That is how easy it is to add fogs onto your image using Snapseed. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.